Okay, so hello. In this video, I would like to show and explain why some comments on my YouTube video cannot be displayed to reply to my dear forever true good friend Yvette Sanchez. Why I don't know how to reply the comment, because as you see in this video, MJ listening party part 2, I see the comments here, but this one I see also is comments are turned off because I upload on my phone, and the default setting is setting to turn off. So I will edit the video, and I will make it the comment turn on. I don't know how to turn it on. Okay, so maybe I will do it later, but as you can see, sometimes it has some problem like this. But the real problem is, as you can see here, it's a video that come my way. There's one comment here, but I don't know how to reply it, and it was hidden. I think it's the same mistake, the same error as before. So you can see here, you said that the video hãy trao cho anh Sơn Tùng MTP is I don't see your comments, Billie. I don't see your comments, because I see 3 comments here, but there's only 1 here. So I just want to say that sorry again if it makes you feel upset, but the fact is I don't see the comments. I don't know why YouTube keep hiding your comment like that, and you see that I just happen to check the comments and just type very short, and as you can see, it's not kind of heartwarming and have feeling with your to compare with your comments. So I really appreciate your comments, and I try to reply, click like, and do something like this. But sometimes that YouTube with this default settings, I will click this learn more, turn off, turn on. I don't know how to turn it on. Wow. Okay, so really, so I think I will have it later, but I don't know. Allow comments, I don't know why. Maybe language, I don't know. I really don't know why. Okay, so as you can see that YouTube changed a lot, the policy, the comments, the interface. So yes, so I just want to make this very quick video to explain, because I don't want you to misunderstand me anymore. So yes, so I will stop video for now, and I will paste the video right here so that you can see. Okay, so the good news is I finally did it. Oh, you have a comment here. Let me see. Oh, again. So you see, nothing here. So you see, because I really wonder why you haven't comment on this, but you see, I don't see it, and you see it's also on the community tab here. I don't see your comment. No, nothing. nothing. So you see, there are so many comments that I haven't replied. Okay, so it's very funny. It's very funny. It's very funny and very annoying to see that YouTube keep hiding your comments and I don't see it, and you misunderstand that I ignore you. No, that's not the case. That's not the fact. Okay, so anyway, so you can see it again from my side. So see, only this comment and this comment. Actually it's 3 comments, but I cannot see it. This one I see it. This one I see it, but this one, so you see, no. And especially this one, no comments. So the good news is I managed to do your favorite song dancing in Sapa. Okay, so I upload it maybe from I have scheduled it. And I will schedule it more, because there are so many events that I want to upload. Yes, so yeah, from June the 15th, okay, I will upload this one, maybe number 2, I don't know, number 2 is already, so number 3 is maybe on June the 16th, you know. Okay, so so this is my life. Billie Joel will be uploaded on June the 16th. Okay, so anyway, so I just want to show you with the proof that yeah, YouTube is very annoying. But I maybe that's my guess, that maybe with these comments you don't write the same comments as before. So oh, so you see, I see it, you know, this is the songs that I have uploaded, but I think it's better if it plays continuously. So because the listening party, the MJFCVN, the fans from the club, they really want to watch the event again. So I have rescheduled it. Okay, so I must explain it again. Okay, so actually to be played continuously like this after the 15th, I think it's better. So as you can see, I have many video schedules, even in November, you see. So it marks 1 year after the Mr. Kuang come to visit us last year. So we want to have his one schedule in November. Okay, so anyway, so I will stop the video for now, and I will upload it. Okay, so yep, thank you for understanding, and I hope that you see how annoying this YouTube is. But I think is that maybe that the comments in here, they are different. Maybe sometimes YouTube see that many similar comments come from you, so they thought it was spam. So maybe later you can try write shorter and not the same wording, so that the YouTube will not use stupid AI to detect spam comment. Okay, so bye bye. God bless you, Yvette Sanchez. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.